Definitely, 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 definitely.
बिल्कुल चुप। Final match you perform. What happening?
Huh?
Final match you perform. What happening?
What do
क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी।
you mean? Final match you perform. What happening?
Final match you perform, what happening?
I was about to
I think all the credit to that is a fan, the way his sport, all the PSL, and then all the come to stadium and all the sport to the players. The
तोबा थारा मूड खराब कर दिया।
everyone is love it. So be come and in the final and support the team and PSL. So I think I congratulations to.
I congratulations to.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
For Iftikhar, is 100.
Babar batting and my batting is like same because we always try to rotate the strikes.
क्या बोला तूने?
So this will be happy. If you are like sometime you're gonna stay there in the other end.
मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा।
इसके मुंह में पैदाइशी सुपारी है।
It is difficult for you. So because me and Baba is chemistry is same, physics is same, and
Me and Baba's chemistry is Sam, physics is Sam, and
bowling attack in the world in limited overs cricket. Where do you think you need to improve?
Look, always improve improve in the cricket. You never satisfy.
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा।
इसके मुंह में पैदाइशी सुपारी है।
उनका मोमेंटम जिसके हाथ में जाते तो वहाँ से स्टार्ट जब उनको मोमेंटम मिलता है। सेम उनके साथ ये हुआ है। एंड में बैटिंग में मोमेंटम ले लिया, बॉलिंग में आती मोमेंटम हमने दे दिया है। तो दोनों मोमेंटम कैसे पकड़ने?
तोबा थारा मूड खराब कर दिया।
पहले तो सबसे विश ऑल द बेस्ट, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। मेरे लिए ऑनर की बात है कि मैं कोई टेस्ट कैप दे रहा हूँ। इस टेस्ट कैप की अहमियत बहुत अहम है।
क्या बोला तूने?
टेस्ट कैप की अहमियत बहुत अहम है।
क्या? ये क्या बक रहे हो? What?
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम द भारत स्पेशल। दोस्तों, जैसा कि आपने देखा किस तरह से पाकिस्तानियों की फनी इंग्लिश और पाकिस्तान की नेशनल क्रिकेट टीम के जैसे बाबर हो गया, दूसरे पाकिस्तान के रिपोर्टर भी उनको पूछना तक नहीं आता है कि किस तरह से पीएसएल आप कराएंगे। आपको इंग्लिश का नॉलेज नहीं है, आप इंग्लिश के नॉलेज में नहीं है, और ऐसे बंदे लोगों को क्यों हायर करता है पाकिस्तान के, जो कि अपनी बेइज्जती करवाने पर राजी हो जाते हैं। और किस तरह का इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं आप फॉरेन प्लेयर के साथ।
We talk what we did, how many meetings, how many days, what comes durations, all finished.
क्या कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं भैया आप?
Just only next four hours now. और यहाँ पे सेकंड स्टार चाहिए आप।
अब आए ना लाइन पे?
उसके लिए सिर्फ दिमाग में चैंपियंस टीम just put him in mind, that's it. We need a second star. Champion team is never afraid of the results. They know this process. We will keep that process what we did in the 11 matches, and we are the champions. Okay, guys?
हमारे में तेरे बाप को मत सिखा, चल।
No, we don't want to basically what we are here and what we're gonna do. We're gonna follow that, and how can we make a champion of our team? This is only for first time. I'm not here to follow the world what they want to do, what the other countries doing that. I'm not here to, and our team is not here to follow these things.
Do you think this LPL very helpful to get good form for the next Asia Cup?
Yes, definitely. When you're playing a lot of cricket, you need
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना।
form. You need form. So they help me a lot. That Sri Lanka Premier League, they help me a lot in the next. I have 2-3 series in Sri Lanka, so they help me a lot.
I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language.
लेकिन एक सेकंड।
Can you explain the difference? Sorry? Can you explain the difference? I mean, on Sunday you weren't very good, today you're excellent.
I think today what the difference was our bowling and fielding. Oh my God! Wow!
what did you do to make them better? The fielding in particular. What did you concentrate on to make it better?
I think actually we do not fielding. We had a rain other day, so actually we do nothing. So that's why the players are very boosted up for the yesterday meeting. So everything's right on the.
अरे क्या करूं मैं इसका क्या करूं?
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
And a wicket on the no ball. Did you feel any pleasant moment in this match?
Any what? Pleasant moment.
You won the toss.
Hanji.
And got a wicket on the no ball. I think it's a pleasant moment in the match. Did you think any pleasant more in this match?
Pleasant moment in the match.
You.
How can no ball be pleasant for me?
Thank you, sir. You got the wicket.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Is that because of the conditions you see, or is that a tactical decision from?
No, I think the both are same because if you look in the sunny side and the stats of this ground is like actually have seen that.
क्या? ये क्या बक रहे हो?
The sunny side and the stats of this ground is like
Lots of things positive, but if you look in the innings of Miller and the George performance, the Dundee performance, was that that momentum, and we must get him to get it to these two guys.
Acha. Let's just break it down a little bit. I mean, you picked up 3 wickets in the first.
Yeah, but if you look in that the momentum of that the Miller, they're gonna come and they're gonna charge on us. That was the momentum that. Luckily, the 50 was in the semi-final. I'm lucky, but if you look in the start of our batting lineup and our match of the tournament, me and Babar was struggling. The pitches, the swings, the conditions were different for us. But we still hard work towards the Allah demand from us, and we believe on this. Yeah, still we believe that inshallah, because every player will be going on this day, yeah. And everyone will be going somewhere struggling, but they're gonna hard. They keep fighting. If we do that, alhamdulillah, give us 50 in that match. They took us from away because we took wickets early on. That was a positive and benefit for us. But if the way you look in the guys, they're going so no, they far us from the match. So that was, I think, the moment.
I will ask about you for the Pakistan. Pakistan team is under crisis for a long time. As a colleague, what would you suggest to Pakistan batsmen how they can come out from this crisis?
अगर मैं पाकिस्तान का कोच बना तो बिल्कुल बताऊंगा. अभी तो
BPL all match your perform this happening. Final match your perform this happening.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Final match I perform.
Final match your perform.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. हमें तुम्हारे लक्षण बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
Yes, sometimes we didn't call to anyone and then we run for in the singles. But for you all, Babar, me, our communication is like that. What can I do? And this is the most success for us.
All right, great. Iftikhar, welcome to Perth. Firstly, obviously a heartbreaking loss against India. What was the message after the game from Babar and the coaches?
Good question. You are a good question. But your question hurt me. It's paining me.
Why and we are and how we can. This is our first time.
Jason's obviously just new to the role as white ball coach. What looks at the message been for him out of the series?
Jason always are helpful for us because we have seen him in before the red balls. But here, we have a Tim and Jason. They know about the condition. They give us lots of information. But hopefully they're gonna some more we get from him. We will keep that process. What we did in the 11 matches.
क्या बोला तूने?
We will keep that process. What we did in 11 matches, and we are the champions. Okay, guys.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
Against the best bowling attack in the world in limited overs cricket, where do you think you need to improve?
Look, always improve improve in the cricket. You never
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
satisfy every day. You learn a lot when you are in the pitch. You in the batting you see different quality of bowling against quality of bowling. So.
Shadab did a good bowling and also Imad Wasim and a couple of overs of Hafiz Bhai and especially the way our fast bowler is bowling.
But you were still looking nice and tense up on that balcony. Do you ever relax as captain?
No, I'm always like that. So whenever the position is like that, I'm just like that at the same.
Wonderful win. You must be pretty happy, although a little relieved, I think.
तो दोस्तों वीडियो आपने देख लिया, कितना इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो है। और आपको बता दूं कि पाकिस्तान में पहली बार नहीं है, हमेशा से ही इंग्लिश का एक बड़ा वाकया रहा है, चाहे वो इंजमामुल हक हो गया, चाहे यूनिस खान हो गया, चाहे अब्दुल रजाक हो गए। पाकिस्तान के एक्स क्रिकेटर को भी नहीं आती थी, और भारत में तो आम बात है इंग्लिश किसी को नहीं आती, और वो लोग केयर भी नहीं करता, नहीं आता। लेकिन पाकिस्तान में टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश बोल के काम चलाया जा रहा है।